This video, we're going to talk about the Lahman database and how to download it to your computer and put it somewhere where you can access it from R. So basically, the Lahman database is mostly the same data that you're going to find in Baseball Reference. So if we were to plug in a player like Ted Williams in Baseball Reference, we get all of his standard season by season batting stats, and it's not going to have everything, but it's going to have batting and fielding and pitching and so on. And we'll take a look at some of the stuff. But Sean Lahman has put it together in a way where we can download it and use it, on our computer, access it through R. So from the SeanLahman.com. Sean Lahman does a lot of cool baseball research. He's done some cool videos for Saber. I'll try to post some of those at some point. But down here under his baseball research, we're going to say download the Lahman baseball database. And he provides two versions. He updates it every year. You either can use the MS Access version. So if you've got a database class, this might be a fun one to play around with. We're going to use the comma delimited version. So I'm going to download that. Notice it downloads it into a zip file. I'm going to open up that folder, and notice it's here. It puts in a folder called Baseball Data Bank 2022.2. I'm going to choose to extract that. And what I want to do is put it in a place where I can find it and access it easily. So in my case, I know I do this a lot. I'm going to go to my current projects, Sabermetrics, and I created a new folder, Lahman 2021. So I'm doing this in the summer of 2022. So the most recent year I'll have access to will be 2021. So I created a folder called 2021, and I'm going to select that folder to extract to. So it's extract. It's unzipping and extracting these. So let's try one more time. Here's my download baseball data bank. I'm going to choose extract all. I'm going to point my browser to the Sabermetrics Lahman 2021, and I'm going to select the Lahman 2021 folder and choose extract, and that was based on a mistake. I can look through, here we go, Sabermetrics, Lahman 2021. I've got everything extracted here. The place that I want to look is Core. Core has all of the different folders. So we had looked at Ted Williams. Well, Ted Williams is primarily known as a hitter. So this batting CSV, this will be the table that has, and I can open this up in Excel and we can take a look. All of these CSV files have player year, player ID, year, stint, games, at bats, and so on. So back to 1871, we've got season by season statistics for players. And then we'll be able to use that in R to do statistical analysis and start playing around and doing a lot of fun stuff with. So as a reminder, just to summarize, we started at SeanLahman.com. We chose to download the Lahman's baseball database. We downloaded the comma delimited version. Once we downloaded it, it was zipped. We extracted it to a folder where we could access it.